All right, we just finished our Melbourne-based ASRS workshop with a bunch of reporting entities. I think it went really well. The panel was very lively and shared a lot of the things that went really well for them thus far and a lot of the stuff that they're really struggling with. And then that launched really nicely into a legal discussion where people raised a lot of the really nitpicky legal questions that they're currently grappling with around a lot of the judgment calls that are baked into ASRS around proportionality and materiality. That just sparked so much interest from everybody who's trying to make those decisions and then figure out how in the world to prepare documentation and processes that can pass audit and assurance and get boards comfortable with it. The discussion was really deep, and I think from the scope 3 table all the way to the legal table and the audit assurance table, it was really lively. So yeah.
3 key takeaways?
Show your work. Just incessantly mark down every decision that you make, every judgment call that you make in process documents, and formalize that and control it and protect it, because you're going to have to explain all these different judgment calls. That's one. Go early. Almost every client that spoke today said the earlier you get started, the better. It takes way longer than they anticipated. And then stakeholder engagement, drawing in as many different functions and people across the business as you possibly can early.